Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is John Kielec from DailyNetPay, the private trade share. I'm the admin of this opportunity, and I also trade forex market and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, mainly I am trading Bitcoin right now. This is the trading results for the week of Monday, July 1st to today's date, which is Friday, July 5th, 2019. So let's get right down to the business. And first of all, I'm going to start up with the stats. So the trading results for this week, well, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have another great week. We have 9.68% profit earnings for this week. Okay, so what we have in here is Oanda, our Canadian broker. We have 7 wins. We have 1 loss, no open trades. In FX hedge, FX choice, where we trade many forex markets, including Bitcoin, but this is only Monday through Friday. Okay, so right now the FX choice, FX hedging is closed. No forex market trading over the weekend. And also BitMEX, which is just cryptocurrency. Mainly I trade, once again, the Bitcoin. It goes 24/7, 365 days a year. We have in there 4 wins, 2 losses, and 1 open trade. So in forex hedge, we have 20 wins, 3 losses, and open 7 trades. So total wins for this week, we have 31, we have 6 losses, and we have open trades over the weekend is 8. So now I'm going to take you to the chart. But before this, what we're going to present in this video, tough week. Tough trading week. I got tough week trading, kind of backwards, but oh well, I'll change that. But it's actually, we had the trading week was really tough because very volatile markets. Beginning of the month, it's month end, beginning of the month, it's always very volatile markets, but we pulled through. Now Bitcoin open trades for upside. You're going to see that if the market reverses, and that's going to happen anytime soon. We are going to be profiting quite nicely, even though we had, several thousand profits during this week from Bitcoin alone. And I'm going to be talking about travelers. Do you travel? You can save up to 75% on condos, hotels, resorts. And, you can save thousands of dollars. And at the same time, you can travel and earn anywhere from $2,000 per month or even more. So let's go to the charts now. This is the 6 forex markets that I trade. And this is, what you are seeing. Okay, so the first, we trade, I'm going to try to show you Oanda, but Oanda right now, the broker, after the forex market closes, they do updates, so I can't even log in. But anyways, you're going to hear about U.S. Canadian dollar, because in Oanda, I just strictly trade U.S. dollar and Canadian dollar. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, Monday starting the week, we have MA, moving average crossing for trend up. And you see this green, this is where we got some trades in there, profitable trades. Tuesday, we got a beginning of this. You can see the moving averages. We use 4 of them, 8, 13, 21, 55. And I'm not going to go into details about that because that's, if you're trading, you'll know what they are. But anyways, it was getting smaller in here, so we went for prices down. And once again, we got a signal for prices down. We did have a profit in here. And look at from here, basically it's straight down. So we were just kind of using the U.S. Canadian dollar as last was happening with U.S. and Trump there with China and all kinds of stuff. So it was down trading. We were just catching the wave and going along with the downward trend. There was another profitable Wednesday and Thursday and Today we got trend up, and we have like three trades in here, hedge trends, and there was and one trade, couple trades, actually three trades in in here within this trading range up here profit. Then we went for profits downwards. They're profitable. But see this one over here? We have one open trade, and that's all the way from June 26th, okay? I don't want to lose that one, but you can see we came pretty close up here. During next week, we're going to go above here. This is like $110 loss right now, but I don't want to lose 110 bucks. We have more than enough money to cover that, unless it goes way back there. But it was way back there. But I know this market's going to come back. I know the Canadian dollar is going to go way above $1.32, or it's going to be somewhere around here, so we're going to get in the profit. But that's one of the open trades that we have in here. Next trade, okay, British pound against Japanese yen, the same thing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and well, we did some trading in here. Monday, we didn't trade this market. Early Tuesday, we got this trend for downwards, okay, when we got this MA crossing again, and we started to go short or go for prices down. And you can see this is still open trade. We took several trades over here. We have another in here. When we got into this, well, guess what? The market kind of turned to I went for prices up because I thought this thing was kind of getting smaller, but it didn't. It didn't go into a channel over here, and we got stuck in this, and it's still open from Wednesday almost. But we did get into profit, and it went down. I had there's a profit limit. It's somewhere above here, and it didn't hit us. But I'm very sure next week it's going to be easy, because we did go in profit, and it came right back down. But it's in the trend up, so we're going to write this thing that we can earn $400 or $500 in here. All right, so that Japanese British pound against Japanese yen. See the green ones, the background green, that's the ones, the active ones. That's the ones with still open trades for over the weekend until next week. British pound, New Zealand dollar. This is a kind of, we got in a jam in here, but anyways, we had a profitable week. We have a couple trades that are open. They've been linking around since last week and beginning of this week, but we had other trades that were profitable here. We have a signal for prices to go up, but this was very tight. You can see the 4 MAs were very tight, and see how it spreads out over here. Well, that's a different signal for me. Now, once again, I'm not going to explain about this, but anyways, I didn't do much in here. We went for prices up. We got this. And we got into this trade, and when we got in here next day, which was Tuesday, the market went down. Okay, and I held that trade, and I'm still holding that trade. We either had, these two trades, but we did trade for prices down, even though we had these two. Okay, like I say. There are stop losses until one way below, but I said, no way. I am not, once I got to here, I said, I'm going to hold on to these two trades because they're going to become profitable. We almost hit it today, the first one. But anyways, we got some profits on Wednesday. Thursday, there was nothing. And just early yesterday or early this morning, the MA moving average cross for prices up, and this is, look what happened. We took some profits in here because we hedged when I know the prices are going up, so I bought 2, 3 a long way, took some profits, and these two are open. Like this one is from this, and this one's been lingering since last Friday. So okay, so those are the open ones. Bitcoin, okay. Bitcoin right now, this is, This is all the open trades right now. We can see 1, 2, 3. These are in profits. The Bitcoin's been going wild. We got the trend down this morning, okay, but I was still buying more. And I wanted to buy more over here, but I didn't buy because I'm going to buy it because I know this thing is going to go way up. You can see, but it's not being traded right now on FX Choice because we have all these Bitcoin versus US dollar on Forex market FX Choice. So that FX Choice is closed. What happens, okay, like if we are way in profit over the weekend and Monday comes in, early Monday morning when the FX Choice opens and we're way up there, well, guess what? We're automatically in big profits. But say if the market goes down during the week, well, the Forex market is closed, so this will not affect us. The only time will affect this if the market opens up early Monday morning and the Bitcoin prices against US dollar are somewhere down here, then we're going to be in loss. But there's no way, and I'm going to give you more details about Bitcoin. But that's, thanks to Bitcoin, we've been profiting those higher returns. GBP USD, okay, we traded some. We got the signal to go down. We didn't trade here on Monday. Tuesday, we took a little one, and we traded some today. So there was little hedging in here for this market. Was volatile. And same thing was Euro US dollar. Even though we did not trade any of this. I'm kind of studying this market because Euro and against US dollar, I'm watching against other markets because this market is very volatile. Even though there was like a big channel in here, we could have made some profits in here but I rather be on the safe choice. So these are the 6 choices, and you can see this is the current trade. It is open trade, okay. We have what is it, $10,000 contract in here. Right now we're in the minus. This is where we got in. Okay, this is our stop loss in here. So you can see the market all day today was up and down. This is hourly chart. And we're going to go to Bitcoin. Okay, this is where you're going to see this. Okay, I showed you this week's screenshot of that. This is actual trades. This is my just all kinds of indicators and stop losses, liquidation prices, targets, okay? So in here on July 2nd, we took $11.20 profit. Next day, that was July 2nd. On the 4th, that was yesterday, over $1,000 profit in here. And the market got kind of in a, it went down, so I went for prices up. And, look at what that it just went down. As it kept going down and down and down, I was buying more positions for prices up. There was the last one that I actually bought over here, okay? And look at what, I just got to get these stupid ads out of here. And I bought the last one over here, and look at the market. These 1, 2, 3, 4, and nice profit again. But the market is going down a bit. But this huge spike, we have those 2 up there, and this is the target, the 12,400. And when the market breaks above this Bitcoin trend right now, it's kind of downwards short term, in my opinion. And once again, I advise I'm not any kind of financial advisor or anything like that. This is just my opinion from my trading experience. And I believe this is the target, 12,400, okay, because that's the high that we had. If this breaks above here, well, it's going to turn to bullish for prices go up. And then the next possible target is going to be that 14,000, 16,000 range, okay? But first we got to hit to that 12,000 mark. And Actually, that was pretty close in here, but it went down. So we have a stop loss just below over here. This is another target, okay? Well, not a target, down support level. This is like a short-term support level, and you can see it's at, you know, what, 10,740. And it almost came down here, okay, but it did, and it bounced off. So that means the market is slowly turning upwards, and you can see by this spike. But once again in here, okay, we have this down again, but it's a short one, so hopefully it's over the weekend we're going to go above this and go to this potential. If all these trades hit above here, these profits are peanuts. So, the final, the support resistance, okay, that's a resistance over here, okay, and that was support over here, but another major one. If it did break below this support, then this is the major one, the 10,400 one, and that's the major one. If it go back here, then we'll start going. There's a possibility it could still over the weekend get to these two, but if it breaks below, then we're looking 8,000 possibility, or going, you know, reaching this bottom level. Okay, so that's my Bitcoin. Oops, what did I do? What did I do? It was somewhere over here. Okay. Anyways, I'll fix that. But anyways, okay, so that's the Bitcoin, and that's what's happening on the charts. Now, I just want to talk about, what else we're talking about in here. Okay, travelers, save up to 70%, okay? So, this is something, my $20 travel business, you know, like I said, I put out updates today. You know, trading is fun. It's a lot of, you know, most of the day I set it, forget it, and put my limit orders, stop losses, take profit limits, and whatever. And I just go do my business. And, you know, so I left network marketing by this travel business because you guys know I travel a lot. So the $20 travel business, you can save up to 75% off hotels, resorts, condos, and what else? Travel and save, but you can also travel and earn. Everybody's going Bitcoin up, okay, good. So as you know, so this is a perfect travel saving source and a travel biz that allows me to earn income. And anybody who travels, doesn't matter where you go in the world, we have a lot of places. You got to check this out, okay? And you can see some of these resorts. These prices are per week, not per day, okay? Like I say, we just came from Europe, and I checked out a few places, and I tell you, I paid high prices in there, even though I booked through hotels.com, but I checked some of the prices, and we stayed in Warsaw, when we stayed in goes by the Baltic Sea. I could have saved additional 30% or more if I went through here, but I didn't know that yet, okay? So you can read about this, and if you just want to save, it costs $20, okay? That's a gold level, and you can have these incredible savings. We have thousands, I think over 100,000 in here. We beat all other prices, okay? Truly, it's amazing. And if you want to get into this, if you join, you can save, but if you want to join, we will even build your business for you through our Team Build, T-E-E-M, Build. What that stands for, together everyone earns more. And, you know, this is on a first come, first served joint basis. But anyways, we have lots of spillover already. A lot of members are earning income who have never earned a dime online. Well, with DailyNetPay, everybody earns. Nobody's left behind. But I'm talking about outside DailyNetPay, the private trade shares. So you join our team build. You're going to join at the gold level. You will automatically be placed into our special co-op promotion that will get you 2 paid members. And anybody can use these 2 bannerets. This is 728 by 90, larger banneret. This is the image, and you can point it directly to your $20 travel business, and this is smaller at $468. But This is our co-op. It's actually over the weekend. And during July and August, I'm going to spend probably well over $500 to $600 in paid advertising promoting that because it's summertime. But come September, we're going to have more promotions. I'm going to probably spend whatever I earn in this travel business, and I know it's going to be well over $1,000. I'm going to take first about $1,000, and I'm going to put into this travel business to promote, because starting mid-September till about December, that's the peak advertising season. I'm going to spend at least $1,000 to promote this business and promote you, because to get you, this is the team build. So, if you join to that, you're going to get this automatically. When you get to, then we're going to get those other two into this special promotion, co-op promotion. So basically, guess what happens? When you click on this banner ad, this is what it happens. This is like a squeeze page, and that's being promoted out there. And somebody wants to have more details, well, okay, all right, this is like a rotator, okay, when I click on here again, you're going to see different name, Income Forever. Website. I got to check, because some of these websites are in rotation. Okay, stand through my business, that's okay. Yes, okay, there we go. Joy Rich, okay. Some of these users are not correct, so I gotta, check my rotator. This one's okay, busy, Bobs, babes, whatever. And so you can see where that leads. These build your future. Okay, that's the co-op promotion. When these members get their 2 paid members, they're going to be taken out of this special promotion. The next ones will go in, and it'll just keep rotating. And as of September, we're going to have about, more of these, more different type of ads. And I was almost in a place like this where you see over here in Italy, on one of the islands of Italy. That's why I love this place. And when we were there, if you check my Facebook, you'll see some of pictures that almost look like this. So it's amazing when I found this. But anyways, okay, this is what's happening. So check out the my cheap $20 travel business. I'm very sure you're going to travel. Maybe one day we'll meet somewhere on a cruise and, have a cold one and have a glass of wine, dinner, and just chat and see whatever. Because traveling, I love it. We love it. Mary GK and I, we travel quite a bit, and I've been traveling since I was almost a teenager. So, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Once again, nice week's profit, 9.68%. What I want to say, even though it was a tough week because it was the beginning of the month, all private trade shares earnings and the payouts, those who do not compound their earnings, will be paid out. All the payouts will go during the weekend, and all the compounds updates will be done. Everything will be done by late Sunday night before the next week's trades open up. All right, so I wish everybody a great weekend. Have a blessed weekend, and as always, my best. Thank you for watching.